Today we'll be driving up the Long Hill Main Road on this beautiful weekday morning. This road was ordered closed just a few days ago for the Jamaica Public Service, that's Jamaica's power company, to carry out repair works to power lines and power poles. This is one of the most dangerous roads in Jamaica. You have to be strong-hearted to take on this journey. And you'll see why in just a few minutes. Again, linesmen from overseas, from the US and Canada and other territories are here in Jamaica to assist the Jamaica Public Service with carrying out repairs to our power line or power grid. And we'll be looking to see just what they've done on this mountainous road. There have also been reports of damage to the barriers along the side of this road, the Long Hill Main Road. Let's climb this hill and we'll see exactly how the Long Hill Main Road has stood up to Hurricane Melissa.
Hi, I'm Aaron Samuels, Senior Superintendent of Police, Commanding Officer for the St. James Division. We are here along the Long Hill Main Road, and on Sunday, November 30th, at 6 a.m., we'll be closing this road until 9 p.m. to facilitate rehabilitation work by the Jamaica Public Service. This work will allow for the rehabilitation of electricity to the residents of South St. James. It is indeed necessary, and we want to ask for persons to cooperate with us. The alternative route will be from Anchovy, Whalespond to Bogue Hill, and the reverse, from Bogue Hill, Whalespond to Anchovy. We are asking for your cooperation as we want to ensure that whilst we restore electricity to the people of South St. James, we also allow for persons to be able to traverse the location without much hiccup. If you don't need to be on this road, please stay home.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
To corner you deep like Michael Lee Chin's pocket. End of Long Hill. Let's head to Anchovy.
not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Thanks for watching. Tap on the video you're now seeing on your screen.